Attention departing passengers. TSA has limited the items that may be carried through a security screening checkpoint, and boarding passes and photo ID are required for access. Passengers should check
Hey.
Access to the concourses is limited to ticketed passengers only. Arriving passengers and visitors, please keep your phones in the appropriate baggage claim carousel.
Who's here? Who's here? Look. Say hi, Papa.
Hiya, buddy.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, Dad.
Hello.
How are you? Did you have fun with Grandma and Grandpa?
Give me a kiss. Okay, group up.
I was going to get a cart, so let me get that, or can we carry this?